Come thrifting with me in Menomonee Falls, Wisconsin at the Goodwill. Orange Tag Day, and Goodwill is Halloween ready. They have a lot of their own stuff that they're retailing now, so I tend to pass right by that, but sometimes I'm not sure if it's theirs or not, so I check it out. It's kind of cute, but it gives me sort of Dollar General vibes, and that's really not the look I'm going for, but you may see me pick something up here and there, like the skeletons I bought so that I could turn them into this last week. This boho mirror was $5 and I think it is very cute. I love a little boho mixed in. But when I got it home, I saw that one of the pieces was a little bit ripped and broken, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix that. That was not part of my plan. I feel like this is store vibes, but I don't really need it. Be groovy or leave, man. It's too funny. So my friends Jamie and Zeb flip rocking horses all the time, but I feel like it won't sell for me. I've done it before and they just kind of sit around. So I left this for someone else. But these birds will look very cute in a nautical setup next summer. This, I think, will look really good on a wreath as we get closer to Christmas. These tiny Santas aren't huge money makers, but I think they'll be cute in the right vignette. I feel like I did not find anywhere near as much Christmas shopping at rummage sales this year, so I've got a lot of catching up to do. I had this years ago when I sold at Poppy and Thyme. I think these are so cute, and I think I can probably do a better job of staging it than I did back then. I saw when I turned it over, it had a lot of battery acid sticking out, so that's a definite no, because I doubt that it works. I almost bought this Energizer Bunny for Sonnet, but I didn't know if it worked, and I figured she's got enough stuff, so it's the thought that counts, right? I will take this back to the shop and put a succulent in it, and I think that it will make a sweet little gift for someone. And these little trinket boxes also make sweet gifts for people. You can find it on my website if you are looking. I mean, a guinea pig with a Christmas box, we've got to take him. And got anybody retired? Somebody does. It just struck me as how funny candles and candlesticks still are for decor. I mean, back in the day, they were essential because they were needed for light, but now they are really just something that we still depend upon to look good in our house. Or are you anti-candle, candlestick? Drop me a comment and let me know. I think one of the reasons is because they provide height, and that gives some different dimension to everybody's decor. And you don't even have to put just candles on them anymore either. And for me, being in Wisconsin on the cusp of daylight savings time coming up in the next month, I use a lot of LED candles this time of year because I hate how it gets dark out so fast, and at least it provides kind of a cozy feel. Do you do that too? Let me know, because I go gonzo sometimes with the LED and the twinkle lights in my home. I loved this canvas. I think this would look great in my shop, but guess what? It was $40. Come on, Goodwill. That's crazy. Not much art here today. Sometimes I score really big. Today I got a couple of things, but nothing tremendous. This cried Take Me Home and Decoupage Me. This I think is pretty cool, this tin look, so that I did not have to do anything with. It is just staged in my shop. I looked at this last week and it had a tag, but there is no tag to be found. I feel like they sold it to me for $4. I can't remember, honestly. And how cute is this little container? This is just Hobby Lobby too, but I really, really like it. $20 for these is too high. I don't know if they'll go. They'll probably go as soon as it goes 50% off. Somebody will grab them. This little vase feels like it's pottery and it's from Pier 1. I think this is a good pick. And I love this heavy vase with the bubble glass and the blue. So pretty. This I got for $10 and it looks really good staged up in my shop. And Melissa already bought this, so it is in a box on its way to her, hopefully today as I drop it at the UPS store. These sugar skull candles I thought were kind of quirky and cute, but they were like $13 for 3 candles. This stuff just seems all overpriced to me, but somebody will find it, and that's okay. I don't need all the things. I spent $70 after I grabbed these little dogs and headed to the checkout. Here's a few peeks at things in my shop this week, so you can get an idea of how to stage things, of what's available. I appreciate you watching my videos. If you don't subscribe on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button and give me a like. If you're on Facebook, please make sure you follow me because we are adding new things all the time. Here's a peek at some papers that we got in, and Perry is my favorite flip of the week. What do you think of this mid-century guy? I love him. Take care. See you soon.